So may makuha ni mo na, what can you get from those video nga you're just looking to those people who are eating? Ha?
It's so crunchy.
Ha? Because of the crunchy. That there's no mathematics and there's no science there. That's a very bad one. You change that one. You watch Bitok Bitok University.
Nakaigid pud way back sa iyang elementary life parihas sa uban.
Again? Good morning! It's a Saturday morning! Morning, Rusty! Arte na kayo. Basta grade 7 na yung ana ng lugar din. Medyo butanan sa sapatos. Gubot kayo. And background na ako ang MOR. Ang ingay ni Maria. Ella, watching YouTube. Malas, still didi lang yapon. Bisa grade 1 na. Mag-ihi sa bed. Breakfast. Mami load sa breakfast. Bacon, carne. So, nakita ni mo nga healthy yung kay among breakfast din. Medyo na bago sa balay.
Dede!
Yes.
Come here!
What? So, nagpa-landscape may gamay diri sa tungod sa among balay. Di ba? So, nagpa-landscape may tubangan sa balay. Meet my cars. Wow, cars kid with S. Again, for rent ni siya. So actually, salamat din sa mga nagrenta na og trya na imong auto. Ug pati akong kaning Fortuner, iparenta na po na ako ni. Kana mo iban mangita og kanang kuan da gusto maglaglag diri sa Cagayan North Main. O pwede po ng Fortuner, pwede po ng auto, way problema. Bahala magabal-abal lang ko para lang gid sa inyo kay mo magina akong gusto gid nga paserbisyohan mo kamo mga katawhan busa karong eleksyon ayaw kalimti. Ada hayag na. So muna yung mga gatan-awan sa mga bata karon very educational.
That ASMR.
So may makuha ni mo na, what can you get from those video nga you're just looking to those people who are eating? Ha?
It's so crunchy.
Ha? Because of the crunchy. That there's no mathematics and there's no science there. That's a very bad one. You change that one. You watch Bitok Bitok University. So this is my daily Saturday routine. Kung wala lang ko ikuan. Do karon adlaw medyo busy. Busy. Nami barangayan karon sa Ipunan. Tapos ay nakoy meeting, di ba? Nakoy meeting day sa morning sa another client. Unsa gina siya nga, unsa gina nga client? About sa cars, di ba? Coating sa cars. Ay siyempre kung mga sakyanan kailangan ni coating og one para ma-pressure, para ma-preserve nimo beauty. But before anything else, mag-coffee sa ko. Every morning, I don't know, sometimes akong coffee lately. Nag-coffee ko, Valentos. Makita mo siya sa mga internet. No? So far, I like it. Ganang ko sa kapait, I like it. Kaya di ko mag-crave og kaon. Medyo okay naman, effective naman sa ako. Medyo okay naman ko. But sometimes, susay mag-brood ko kung wala ko ilingaw. Kaya there's a lot of people giving me coffee also. Na yung mga ginahatag nila nga mga local coffee. Ay, napa mo din ko i-quad review. So, naigipangatan sa mga birthday pa na ako ni. Ngayon nagatag sa ako kanang sa Starbucks na mga wando. Pwede ka po maka Starbucks. Sana po ko'y silingan. Ang ginatag niya kanang sa McDo nga coffee. French toast. Oh, di ba? And also, napoy ka ng local coffee. Black brewed black rice. Oh, yan, no? Tapos mo rin to ang Valentos. I love brewed coffee. Di nakuha ng 3-in-1 guys. Siyempre ang sugar na to diya. Okay? So now, akong coffee now is the Valentos coffee.
I want the pig!
Usara ka takos be? Half? Punon?
Oh, yun lang kung mag-order, babe. Nagka-highlight ka niya.
Ano yun eh? Money full? Ana? Ana. Tapos dali. If you want to try this, i-try lang sa, pwede mo mag-order online. Ako ibutang ang link below para maka-testing mo. Okay. So what should I do today? Early in the morning, huh?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing. You can ask daddy anything. You wanna ask anything?
It's like thing.
Dami.
What thing?
Or,
It's nutritional.
I want to rock.
Let's play outside. Let's ride our bike. Our bike.
Mag-post daw ako sa Corby.
Daddy, the bike.
Sarap ng coffee.
Daddy,
What?
the bike.
What?
We're playing the outside
I
bike.
don't have a bike yet. I wanna buy one.
Boy, I have one.
Are you? You want to play the bike?
But we need to have a little pack. You sit down there, you drink your coffee there.
Huh?
You drink your coffee there, we need to watch. I mean, you're gonna watch the bike. I mean, you're gonna watch me to ride the bike. You just sit down. What's
Okay.
that? Bakin? Is that bakin?
Bacon.
Papa, there's bacon!
Okay, nakailis na ako. Hi.
I have my daughter camera.
Where's my... Magkalo na ko ba? So, nakoy client meeting, then after this, barangayan, then manana na may Frozen 2.
Yeah, later.
Later,
Later.
you still remember that you're a Frozen addict?
Yeah. He's always saying let it go once it hurt. I was the
But, wait, Daddy, visit me. But Anna have powers now. But she didn't
Are
know.
you sure? That's just your prediction.
Maybe Anna as well.
Oh, help mommy. I'm bringing all the bags. Let's go.
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you hold the camera?
Talk to the camera. So where are we going? What's happening?
Where are we going?
My meeting first.
Wait, what? The meeting? I did the white car. The white car's like there. Our new car. Now old car.
Just tell them that it's for rent.
My dad buy it. The Tesla.
Get inside.
I call it Tesla. Pangag. Uy! Mommy! Mommy!
Ayala! I can't leave.
What's nasasaktan, ma'am, daddy?
His mommy will sit
Mommy,
here.
what's nasasaktan?
Mommy, you sit down there at the back, B. Where's my phone?
Hello.
Because, oh yeah, I will answer
Daddy.
these questions.
Nay,
Yeah, later na lang.
Daddy, what's nasasaktan?
Hurt.
Ouch.
Here's
feeling na ako si Bernie bitok-bitok kay and I got 125 comments in 1 hour. So many. You read the name, Diane. From what's that?
John Lynn Pax. Pax. Feeling chick boy.
You know what's feeling chick boy?
So many chicks.
So many girls.
Okay, the other one.
Feeling chick boy when I was younger.
Daddy, be careful, ma-fall pa yun.
When I was single because feeling man ako gwapo kay ko.
Mantay kayo.
Okay, the next one is Angel Grace. Angel Grace and Belen
What she said?
Talison. Feeling nako si Bernie dili guwapo pero
They're not sorry, Bird.
oh, what does this mean?
Feeling gwapo pero what's that?
It's like USO.
Dili gwapo pero uso. I'm not handsome but uso.
What does USO mean?
Trending.
What is trending mean?
Trending, like everybody's talking about
do anything.
like that.
And then this one, Mark Farrell.
I will answer for if that's true. Feeling na ako, dili ko gwapo pero uso. Yeah.
Okay, the next one, Evelyn Garcia.
Ako.
No. And Bibo.
Huh?
Just Bibo.
Bibo. What's the mean by Bibo?
I don't know.
Bibo means fun, happy.
Ah.
Is it true that I am happy? I am Bibo?
Of course.
Good. Next.
Mark Farrell.
Uh-huh.
Kusog mo gamit o purim.
Horim.
What does that mean?
Kusog mo gamit o horim.
Yeah.
Like I'm fond of using magic.
Oh, yeah.
Is that true?
No.
I use that to Mom so that she will forgive me and still love me.
Okay. The next one, Kyle. Huh?
What's that?
I don't know. Style Santor.
What she said?
Guwapo o kusog mag-iber kung ako iyang kaauban.
Again? Again? So, is that again?
Guwapo o kusog libre
Okay.
kung ako iyang kaauban.
Kauban. I'll be
That
fond of,
means- What?
giving free stuff.
John Johor. It says, feeling sad na ko mang libre niya busing o red horse kay hapit ng 13 months.
I will give a free beer.
Why?
Because I will be having a Christmas bonus.
Daddy, am I gonna join in the Christmas party?
Yeah.
So, Kuya River,
Yes.
Kuya Rusty. Huh? Kuya Rusty, so big naman. Walay Joy Bitok.
Ha?
Wala Joy Bitok.
Nakoy bito?
No!
Wala J bito?
Yeah.
I don't have a worm?
Walay Joy Bitok.
So they said I don't have a bitok, a worm.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't have. But when I was still a kid, I have a lot of bitok. My mom loves to get it in my teapot. Very small
Yeah.
bitok.
Yep, Daddy. Nakaigid pud way back sa iyang elementary life parihas sa uban.
Again? Nakaigit.
Ew!
Nakaigit sa elementary. Yeah, grade. I remember that was grade 5, I think.
Wait,
When I was in grade 5, I pooped on my pants in school.
I pooped my pants in school when I was in your
Yes.
kinder. Hala! Mami! Mami, nahulog! Seryoso sa tinuod ng kinibuhi.
Seryoso sa kinabuhi.
Yeah.
Yeah. It means that I'm very serious in my life.
Oh!
I'm really serious in handling my family, my kids.
I don't know what's this. You know what is the name? I don't know.
You don't know how to read?
Yeah, I don't know what's the name.
It's so difficult to read.
Yeah, it's so hard to read it. Okay, that's it. That's it.
I read there one stricto. I am very strict. Is that true? I am very strict in person. Huh? Am I strict?
I don't know. I'm already done.
Alright, that's it. Thank you, Ella, for reading. Bye.
Bye.